Hello, my name's Angela. I'm one of the maths teachers at Pride Pursglove College, and I'd like to give you a little bit of information about the A-level maths course. This is a 2-year course and it's run by the Edexcel exam board. The course consists of 3 different areas of mathematics, and those areas are pure maths, statistics and mechanics. The pure maths is the biggest part of the course, and in that part of the course we do a lot of work on algebra. So for part of that we look at different types of models that we can use for data, such as linear graphs, quadratics, cubic graphs, something known as exponentials, logarithm graphs, trigonometrical graphs, etc. We also do other work on trigonometry and geometry. We do work with vectors, we look at functions, we look at sequences and series, plus a number of other topics. In the statistics, we build on what you've learned at school. So you still need to be able to do things like mode, median, mean, and to be able to analyse data and represent it using a variety of diagrams. We move on and teach you about other calculations that you can use to help you with analysing data. We look at correlation and regression. We do some work on probability. We learn about things known as probability distributions for certain types of information, and we also teach you about hypothesis testing. A hypothesis is a claim made by somebody, and what we do as statisticians is we do a couple of calculations to help us determine whether there is any way in which we can accept the claim or whether we need to reject the claim made by the person. In mechanics, we look at objects that are moving and the forces that cause the object to move or try to stop it from moving. We also look at velocity, acceleration and displacement. We also look at objects that are not moving but still have forces acting on them, such as ladders against walls, and then we might think about somebody trying to move up the ladder. How far can they go before it becomes dangerous for them to go any further up the ladder, and things like that. At the end of the 2 years, you will do 3 exams. Each exam will be of length 2 hours. 2 of the exams are on the pure maths content, and the 3rd exam is split 50-50 between the statistics and the mechanics. Also for statistics, we work with something known as a large data set, chosen by the exam board. Our exam board has chosen a data set which looks at weather at 8 different weather stations around the world. 5 of them are in the UK and 3 are overseas, and we do comparisons of various different measures between those 8 different weather stations. We try and incorporate that in our teaching whenever we can, so that you get to know these weather stations and the types of weather that these stations experience. For the course, you will need a really good calculator. You need a calculator that is able to do the probability and work with the distributions that we teach you. So the calculator that we work with on the course is this one. It's the Casio ClassWiz calculator. We do sell them in college at a cost of about £18 or £19. If you want to do so, you can buy your own calculator online. In terms of textbooks, we subscribe to the online versions of the textbooks for our exam board, and each student, when they join the college, gets their own login details so that they can access these books at all times, so that they can practice and look back over topics. I hope that's been useful, and we look forward to seeing you at college in September. Goodbye.